Unlocking the power of the mind, the mystery of neurons. In the heart of the human brain lies a complex network of cells, the neurons. These specialized cells are the driving force behind every thought, emotion, and action we experience. Imagine a bustling city. In this city, the neurons are the citizens, constantly communicating and interacting with each other. They fire messages, much like a courier delivering parcels from one building to the other. Each neuron is made up of three core parts: the cell body, or the brain of the neuron, the dendrites, which are their antennas, and the axon, which is like a longer transmission cable. The dendrites receive signals from other neurons. They are like the roots of a tree, absorbing information instead of water. Imagine thousands of branches reaching out to capture whispers from other cells. Once a signal is received, it moves towards the cell body. This is where a decision is made. If the signal is strong enough, it's passed on. If not, it's ignored, a process known as a neural threshold. When the signal passes the neural threshold, it triggers an electrical charge. This charge races down the axon, like a sprinter dashing towards the finish line. This is called an action potential. The axon is wrapped in a fatty tissue called myelin. Myelin acts as an insulator, helping speed up the signal. Without myelin, our neuronal message would take a leisurely stroll rather than a sprint. Once the action potential reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters. These are the body's chemical messengers. They carry the signal across a tiny gap called the synapse. On the other side of the synapse, the dendrites of the next neuron are waiting. They catch the neurotransmitters, like outfielders catching a fly ball, and the process begins again. This constant flow of information is happening right now in your brain. While you're watching this video, billions of neurons are firing, allowing you to see, hear, and understand. And that's not all. Our neurons are also responsible for our memories. When neurons fire together, they wire together, forming a neural pathway. The more often a pathway is used, the stronger it becomes. This is how habits form, how we learn new skills, and how experiences become embedded in our memories. It's the extraordinary power of neurons that shapes who we are. So next time you think, remember, or feel, spare a thought for the incredible neurons working tirelessly in your brain. The human mind is an amazing thing, isn't it?